How to remove background easily with Procreate. First, open Procreate app and slide up from the bottom. Open Photo apps, drag Photo apps to the right side, and then select the photo that you want to remove background. Click and hold and copy that photo. And then go to Procreate app, select Modify Action, Add, and select Place. Allow to place. It's done. Next, uncheck the background layer and then go to the photo app, select the photo, click and hold and copy the photo. Go back to Procreate app and then place the photo in Procreate app. Now you have the photo without any background. Next, I will try to export and save. Go back to Gallery, select Share, select PNG and then save. Save to photo. Now it's in photo. Next, we will test it. Import the photo. I already prepared the background, the red one. Let's try a green background. Okay, you can now change any background color.